Okay, so in this video we're going to get measuring and we're going to get drawing. The first task is all based around perimeters, very much connected to length. And the perimeter of something is the outer edge of it. So the perimeter here of this sheet of paper is this outer edge here. How do we find it? We find the length of each edge and add them all together. Okay, so what you'll need here is your pencil and your ruler, and we'll get going. So I have two examples here, and I have a host ones you can do on the next page. So I've given you the details and the coordinates of what I want you to draw. So example one is draw a square with sides 5 centimeters and then calculate the perimeter. Now we know that a square has all equal sides from doing 2D shapes we learned here. So all the sides in this are going to be 5 centimeters, and then I'll calculate the perimeter when I've got it drawn. So here's some tips when you're drawing using a ruler. I always like to start with the base of my 2D shape first, okay? Make sure you don't start here at the top of the ruler. You always start here on the first notch, okay? So I'm going to make my point here. It's going to be 5 centimeters. Try to do this with one hand now, because my other hand's holding the phone. 5 centimeters, so I'm making a notch on 0 centimeters and 5 centimeters, okay? I'm drawing my baseline there. I'll join them up. There's my first one done. Now we know a square has right angles, so I'll do the same up here. Look, I've got my bottom notch on this section, so I don't need to mark that. And I've got this notch right up here, and I'll join them together. Sorry, not. There we go. The same either side. I might go to the top now this time. Notch on my 5, and I can join them together. Hard to do it with one hand. Okay, and now my last one, I can just join up the 2 points that I've got here because they're both 5 centimeters. Okay. Okay. Alright, there's my square, and I can label all my sides 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Now let's find our perimeter. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Easy to count to 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20 centimeters. So my P equals 20 centimeters. Okay, then you might get something like this. Draw an isosceles triangle with sides. Well, a triangle has 3 sides. An isosceles, 2 of them are the same and 1 is different. So with sides 5.3 centimeters, 5.3 centimeters, and blank. Calculate the perimeter. So we're going to have to figure out what the last side will be ourselves. Okay, so let's start with my base again. I'm going over, here's my notch on 0 millimeters. What was it? 5.3. So I'm going all the way up to my 5. That's the same as 5 centimeters and 3 millimeters, or 5 3/10. There's my notch on them. I'll join them together now using my one hand. Sorry about this now. Okay. There we go. And now my other one is 5.3 centimeters. Well, they don't tell me what my third angle is, so I'm just going to start on this point here. Again on my 0 centimeters, and I'll make a notch on 5.3. And now I'm going to join them up. Okay. That leaves one side left to be finished. I'll join them up. So I know now this is 5.3 centimeters because I drew it out, and this is 5.3 centimeters, but I can't find the perimeter yet because I don't know the value of this. So when we're measuring, you start on one point of the line on your 0 centimeters again, and you count them up. So go to 1, and we're just 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1.9 centimeters, just short of 2 centimeters. 1.9 centimeters. And now, this is a bit more difficult to add up, but we did adding of decimals last week, so that's not too bad. I'll add them up, making sure my tenths are all in the same spot. That's 1.9. Put my decimal point down straight away. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. Put down my 5. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12.5 centimeters is my perimeter there. Okay, so on the next page, here are some tasks I have for ye. So try one, drawing a rectangle with side 6.3 centimeters, 6.3 centimeters, 41 millimeters, and 41 millimeters. You can see there, look, I'm testing you by putting some of them in centimeters and some of them in millimeters. So you can change them all to millimeters or change them all to centimeters. It's up to you. Remember, 41 millimeters is the same as 4 centimeters and 1 millimeter, or 4.1 centimeters. Try to draw an equilateral triangle with sides 83 millimeters. Remember, we know an equilateral triangle is 3 equal sides, okay? And calculate the perimeter, so the outer edge. Draw a square, that's 4 equal sides with 5.9 centimeters, but look, it's saying calculate the perimeter in millimeters. So you're drawing it in centimeters, but give me the perimeter in millimeters, okay? And so on and so on. And number 5 then is just draw any irregular hexagon you want. Irregular means the sides are not all the same length, and measure the perimeter in centimeters and meters. So for example, 15 centimeters, 2 millimeters. Okay, now I have another quick task for you to do. This is you measuring the perimeters of things around your house, okay? So I have a list here. Someone's mobile phone, a copybook cover, a DVD box cover, a laptop or tablet screen, placemat or coaster, and then find 3 other things yourself. Don't worry if you don't have some of these things here, just find something else yourself that has straight edges. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to measure this playing card, I'm going to have to start at the beginning point of a line. Here we go, so I have my 0 centimeters on it, and count all the way up to where the centimeter stop. There's 8.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8.6, well, I know, is one side, and I calculate all the sides and add them together, okay? Now, what I want you to do in this, though, and this is important, is if your answer, will say, for the perimeter is 16 centimeters, 3 millimeters, I don't want you to just write down that. I want you to write all your answers in 3 different ways, which mean, but with the same value. So 16 centimeters, 3 millimeters, which is the same as 16 and 3/10 of a centimeter, or 16.3 centimeters. So I want you to write your answer in centimeters and meters, centimeters and millimeters, in fractions of a centimeter, and in decimals of a centimeter. Is that okay? Good luck with that, and I'll see you in the next video.